So we made it through the top 20. You had a couple little subcategories like best ones for pots or, not necessarily the top 20 for production, but maybe my top 20, my personal favorite.
Well, I think I'll go with, let's go with the best ones for beginners. Because if you're a beginner out here in Arizona, you want to grow stuff, let me give you the top 7 for beginners. Starting with number 7, which would be the pomegranate. We talked about that one. You can plant it in the ground. Even in a desert, bad soil, you don't really have to do any amendments. It'll grow for you, it'll produce. And you can kind of plant it and forget it. Next one would be that jujube. Easy one to grow. Again, another one you can just throw in dead soil. It'll grow. It'll produce for you. It's got a little thorn to it. Nice protective one. Number 5, the fig tree black mission. That's an easy one to grow. Again, easy for beginners.
Big one, though.
It can grow big, so you might want to give it some space. But you can trim it down and keep it kind of contained with the black mission fig. Number 4, which is the desert gold peach. We talked about that one, but it's great for beginners, especially if you want to jump into that peach world. It'll produce for you, and it's relatively easy on the pruning requirements. It grows pretty balanced on its own, and will produce some good fruit. And the best in the apple category is number 3, which is the Anna apple. We talked about that one. Great diverse use for being able to grow stuff, and a beautiful, very roundy kind of tree. Has a little bit of a weeping effect, the Anna does, as opposed to the desert or the desert gold or the Dorset golden. But really easy producer, can handle the heat. And number 2 for me is the mulberry, and specifically the dwarf black, because that thing grows crazy fast. And even though it's called a dwarf, it's not about the size of the tree. So just remember, it's not the size of the tree that's calling it a dwarf. It's the size of the fruit. The fruit is small. And it's a tiny little, smaller little fruit about the size of a raspberry. Maybe a little smaller than some of the plump GMO raspberries we have today, but it's a small tart, but wonderful flavor profile. You can get start them tart when they're red, and then they'll go all the way to dark black, and they're super sweet. And really, number 1, we've talked about it a lot. It's a whole category, really, and it's all about citrus. Citrus grows the easiest and best here. You really don't have to prune those things at all. You want them to grow almost as a bush. They do a lot better if you just let them grow and do their thing. And as long as you don't have those suckers growing out and the rootstock growing on you, then you will have some really good productive fruit coming off of your tree.